health and happiness, and hope that our English speaking contest will have great success.
Problem that we are facing. There are always traffic accidents happening throughout the country every day. So, as someone has learned, so this is the warning that traffic accidents keep going to happen every single time, and every single man is losing his and her life per minute. According to Vietnam.net, nearly 1,000 people were killed in traffic accidents. And according to BN.net, in 2017, traffic accidents killed over 8,000 people in Vietnam. And just a few weeks ago, a total of 179 people has lost their life in traffic accidents just during this festive day of the Lunar New Year. And in our hometown, Lazy Town, help said RA when we remember about the student of Little Kim High School, Hannah and Ngọc Nguyên, who have been forever also due to it. And you can see this is the scene of Ngọc Nguyên accident. So that was so tragic, and we would like to spend a minute silent for them.
So what makes all of those things look awful like that? These can be bad faults of drivers, which is the violation of rules, the lack of knowledge about traffic, and even the wrong factors. Let's talk about the causes and effects of traffic accidents. Firstly, the most important reason causing traffic accidents is the violation of rules, including using alcohol while driving, exceeding speed, and reckless overtaking. Alcohol makes the user suffer from vertigo and they cannot concentrate in controlling the vehicles. It causes the accidents that result in injury or even death. And secondly, another big cause is the road factors. Many roads in bad conditions are very dangerous to the road users, and this contributes to the accidents. Especially when there is rain, the vehicles can slip on the road or stuck in the mud. It must be said the road system in our country is still inadequate. And finally, drivers' lacking of knowledge is also the main factor which causes to the accidents. Inefficient and unlearned drivers who are not experienced enough or didn't have enough knowledge about driving and traffic rules, which cause to the accidents.
Just 3 reasons for the positive causes of life. According to the National Traffic Safety Committee, in 2015, the road traffic deaths were 30 times higher than the numbers of people killed by pandemic disease and the numbers of traffic-related accidents in every 3 years kills as many people as the pandemic disease during 100 years. On average, the road traffic accidents kill approximately 14,000 people in Vietnam every year, and among those who die from traffic accidents, up to 40% are young between 15 and 29 years old. Nationwide, the average of deaths, more than 60 people in general have been lost by traffic accidents per day. Those are the number linked to the word of the national disaster, a phrase that is very helpful to say the traffic accidents in our country today. Traffic accidents bring health loss and pain not only to the family but also to the whole society. Family lost to their labor force, those suffer from life and death in the beyond wicked drinks and intentions. Loss of families live in poverty. The victims of traffic accidents have to live with physical and mental pain, and they are really a burden to the society. This disaster is just a big loss and pain to the community that is not easy to quit. We are a reminder of the right for help and a warning to the whole society. And every year, the national budget has developed thousands of billions to overcome the consequences of traffic accidents. The fact that traffic accidents does not include any person on the road lot of knowledge about traffic safety, and thanks to the practical activities that every student can raise the awareness of traffic. They always strictly obey traffic rules and always control themselves when traveling on the street. Hey everyone, action now for the bright future. We must do something to save ourselves, our parents, our friends, and even our country from it. We are running out of time, so do it right now because people are crying. Thank you for your listening.
Okay, thanks so much. And now some questions for our presenters. Please you.
Thank you for your good presentation. And according to you, what should the government do to prevent traffic accidents like this time?
Thanks for your question. For me, I think the government should improve the basic awareness of traffic and organize some to improve awareness of every person.
How do you go to school every day?
You're just going back to school.
And how can you ride? Ride on the left street or on the right street?
It's only that we need to ride on the left, versus on the right.
On the right? I think you're good. That's enough for you. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, for your question and presentation, thanks so much.